me not even wait. You see, from me see say him drop. I don't the goal me try to move because I can't make that woman they come round there so come hold me back. Could not tell a story now.
Alright, so we have part few of the video that you watched yesterday. Yeah, Raga Shanti mix-up show where Hulk, the big broad back neck woman, take the lady and throw her to the window. She drop on a stone and then boom! By the time she get up, at the man where she got check, Hulk take him and throw her through the window, lick her back on the ground. So yeah, we gonna continue to watch that right now. But as me say, this week we are celebrate you guys, the subscribers, the people who like the video, watch the video, appreciate the 30,000 subscribers. And every night this week we're gonna shout out 3 subscribers. So tonight, big up Miss Marsby, Annette B, and also Miss Newman. Y'all are always in the comment section. Probably not on every video, but me soon know a lot down there. We always a whole local vibe. Manners and respect. Now, let's jump into it. Or, should I say, let's fling into it, or dash into it, or Hulk into it. I don't know what's my mod.
From that, not take them the travel go look for nobody. Me? Man.
Well,
Say, the woman not lick me and know, you know. The woman just ease me through the window, you know. They are 5'2", you know, ragga me short, you know. You know, hard to really lift up. But me never expect that, ragga. Up to today, day, me look the bone. Still at me now and then. I talk about a couple years well ago.
yeah, and I know the bone at you.
I know the bone at me now and then. If me do certain things, me feel the bone still tender.
No.
The woman beat me, say the woman beat me. I say, when this man I do this, a woman, man. That's why you see sometimes, when you see some man or some woman there with nobody there with them, look on then taste in a woman, but we never know the woman.
Yeah. Well,
We never know the woman, so to him look alright, me I say, you know, he say, Raga don't get dollar. I beg ride.
well,
Come back and set
so
Mary.
is that food you didn't go? You didn't get from
Oh, you
St.
mean
Mary
I
go
broke,
center?
Raga?
I broke and go for your money down.
Raga, me carry one little bag to spend the weekend. Me never see back that the bag from that.
But well, you said
Broke,
it looked like
bag,
she did a time pedal
gold.
the other watch. You know?
Me say by the time I reach, like the woman sit down somewhere and see. I see when me reach.
Yeah, the woman know because when you go in and after you sit down there, you boom, 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 boom on the door and you say, who
Yeah,
that?
and the door clearly never good, Raga, because by the time the woman knock 2 times, the door drop off half of the inches. You stay there.
So the door drop and you say you're a bad girl can't defend yourself, but before you could have even process anything, all you
couldn't
could have
process
feel
anything,
is
yeah.
that you feel so the woman lift you up and all you know is that you gone through the window down and you drop.
And I don't want low fall, you know.
And I want
When the high, when me look up and see, so when the man a come and me look up, how far the man a come from.
well, so you say a one big stone at the back of the yard and you just happen to go
One,
jump
and
on
I eat the
one
woman fling me
and I
pan.
eat you go and you say
Listen, as I stated in the previous video or part 1, you have to be careful of who you are dealing. You have to know who the ex be. But she never have to get the opportunity to know who the ex be. Because if she did know or see the ex, she don't know, say, oh, don't mess with it as somebody else. Yeah, man, sometimes knowing who the person who you're talking to dated before save you all your life too. Cause me not there no girl where you say there no gunman or no bad man or no scare. You must say mad or no chopper. You crazy? Girl, leave me alone. But anyways, she's so bad lucky. The one stone in her yard, as Raga them must say. One stone. Look, listen now, you know. She broke and go there and get through a window, nearly broke her bone. And the same way how she went broke is the same way how she left broke. But broke up or almost broke up. You get it? Oh my God. Ladies, gentlemen, know who the person we are talking to used to date or is dating, cause man a liar and woman a wicked. Or woman a wicked and man a liar. Whichever way. So try find out. Anyways, let's continue watching.
You say when you did a nurse, you're pain and you're
And the
wound.
man me see up in that ear I come.
I even that I come join you upon the rock. No.
Raga, me not even wait. You see, from me say him drop. And down the gully me try to move because I can't make that woman they come round there so I can hold me back. Could not tell a story now. Could not tell a story.
So when you say, for you see him a flyer come through for you see him,
Take what me
so you
say.
say, for you see him a flyer come through the window too, and you say, wait, I so far the window.
Yeah, because the man, I don't want a little man, you know. The man look like he should have defend me, you know. The man have body, you know. And he ain't take the woman nothing. To lift him up and fling through with that thing. No, but me not even know what conspire after me drop through the window. Me just know, say, me see him a come. Okay? It's a wicked world, we know.
So you say from him drop on the rock with you. I'm on the rock. The rock is higher than I. Jehovah
Raga, the
guide me.
devil so strong. The man not drop on the rock, the man drop on dirt. And me drop on the one rock.
You drop on the rock with your little body self, no. And
Me
think,
say,
so you say,
Raga.
for you see the man come through the window, the same window where you get through.
me know me have to take what myself.
You take what
Because
yourself,
the man
right,
bad.
away.
You know, say a bad man,
A
Raga.
bad girl that man, a bad girl that man.
man.
So you say when you see him a come through the window too, you know wait for the explanation or nothing. You
No,
know.
sir, if you want to know me, but you kill me, and me have to move same way.
So what you say?
Because I don't know if the woman are going to walk round and come round there.
round.
I don't know.
And come finish you off.
You say me have to take, I'm there so far from me yard, Raga, I'm not even tell nobody where me I go.
Yeah. So what you say? So you say you have to take it to a gully, don't?
I don't want gully, the back part of the house don't want gully, so I don't want gully, me go and me end up back for a little road and me follow it.
And she went through a gully. I must move her though. So, again, to summarize the story, she broke, so she go check him on with her bag, spend a weekend, forget a piece of food, and end up almost lose her life and broke up. So she left, broke her. Again, star. You see, growing up in Jamaica, having girlfriends, being a teen, then young adult, and at more mature adult, I've never really gone to a woman yard, you know. And them always have to come to me yard or we get hotel or motel or something. No, sir, because they always talk to some other in community or they used to date some other in community who still think they own this person or this person obligated to them. And then when you go check the girl or the man then in the community, and then the man the way she used to deal with or the woman the way him used to deal with, see you a problem. Yeah, man, or even sometimes somebody in the community will want her or want him, and then you as a new face, I can't check him or her. No, sir. Hello, sir. Anyways, me glad the lady live to tell the story, live to tell the tales, and to get caught up on what transpired before. I'm gonna put the link to part 1 in the description. And like the video for me, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and thanks for 30,000 subscribers. But please share the video and like the video for me.